I want to give you a little tour of our field sculpture that is called Windy Day. A couple of years ago we commissioned a Galena artist and blacksmith to come up with this. We gave him a list of things that we wanted incorporated into it, and he took it from there. We gave him free rein to illustrate them however he wanted to. First thing, I am a windmill fanatic, so he based the whole design on an inverted windmill base. We asked for a lot of movement, which we have got a lot of movement on this. Today's not quite so windy. Before I go there, I'll show you the face that he made. There's two eyes and a mouth. So we've got a propeller, which is on a wind directional. So that spins around. We wanted a peace sign, which is on the tail of the wind directional. We have a whirligig that spins quite a bit when it's windy. It's not so windy today. We have birds. We wanted birds. We wanted energy or the sun. So he gave us this, which that also turns, but it has to be really, really windy, and over the course of a year it'll turn maybe 180 degrees around. So it takes a lot to move that. This dome makes noise when hail or rain falls on it. Down here we have his version of lead plant, which is native to our area. The three supports around it are a mirror image or a reflection, and they depict the driftless area and scenes from Galena. We asked for a cross, so he put it on a church of these supports. My blacksmith shop that I volunteer at made some hooks, an S hook and a hook, and those can move in the wind. There's a directional little arrow that points towards our house. We have horseshoes from the blacksmith shop. John incorporated some fish, since I guess he thought we've got this mirrored effect that they were in water. So we also have those. So I think that's about all. Our whirligig is actually turning a little bit now. So this is the Windy Day sculpture at our property at Moorleana, that we call Moorleana, in rural Elizabeth, Illinois. Have a nice day. And there's Rebel.